Today we're going to show you how to pair two controllers using a single receiver with the Machenike-G3V2 controller. First, plug the G3V2 receiver into your computer's USB port. Let's start by pairing the first controller. Hold B plus home buttons on the controller to enter. 2. 4G pairing mode. It will connect quickly. Once connected, you'll see it's paired normally. Now, to connect the second controller, first turn off the first controller. For the second controller, you need to enter switch mode pairing, which is done by holding Y plus home. Hold these until the indicator light flashes rapidly. This puts the controller into switch Bluetooth pairing mode. Fast flashing. Now wait for it to connect. Okay. You can see that the second controller is paired. Because it's connected in switch mode, the LT and RT triggers are non-linear. To reconnect the first controller, just power back on. It will automatically reconnect. This way, both controllers are connected to the same receiver simultaneously. Here's the first controller. And here's the second one. So, we achieve the operation of connecting two controllers to one receiver. Remember, after successfully connecting the first controller into 4G mode, turn it off. Then, pair the second controller in switch Bluetooth mode to connect the receiver. After it's connected, press the first controller's home button briefly to power it on and auto reconnect. Note, you need to complete this quickly, because the receiver only search for the second controller for about 30 seconds. If pairing fails repeatedly, try unplugging and replugging the receiver. Then pair the first controller again, followed by the second controller until successful. Here's how to fix the issue. Okay, this is a simple tutorial on how to connect two controllers to the same receiver. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching. See you next time.